Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view frequently called contacts in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. As you can see, frequently called contacts are not showing up here. To enable it, click on the left menu. Scroll down and click on Change Theme. Toggle the button next to Show Frequently Called Contacts to turn it on. Now go back to Home page. As you can see, frequently called contacts is now enabled. This is how you can view frequently called contacts in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.